The cranium cavity is the part of the skull surrounding and protecting the encephalon. It has a ventral surface, commonly known as the floor of cranium, as well as a roof and two lateral walls. There are important landmarks within the cranium. Most of them are related with parts of the nervous system. The cranium cavity is commonly divided into a series of minor fossae. Caudally there is the cerebellar fossa. Then is the middle big cerebral fossa. And cranially to it there are two small ethmoid fossae. The cerebral and cerebellar fossae are clearly separated by a dorsal prominent tentorial process. In the floor of the cranium, it is important to identify the hypophyseal fossa. The place where the hypophysis is positioned. Cranially to this fossa, there are two optic canals for the passage of the optic nerves. These canals open into the orbit to allow the passage of the optic nerves. Dorsally to the optic canals, the two ethmoid fossae are separated by a prominent crest, commonly known as crista galli. Deep into each ethmoid fossa, there is a cribriform plate with many small holes. They allow the passage of the multiple branches of the olfactory nerves, the first cranial nerves. Laterally to the hypophyseal fossa, there are two sulci for the passage of two components of the trigeminal nerve. Those are the ophthalmic and maxillary nerves. The sulcus of the ophthalmic and the sulcus of the maxillary nerve are projected towards the orbit. Finally, it is important to pay attention to the location of the internal acoustic meatus, a passage for two important cranial nerves, the facial, 7th, and the vestibulocochlear, 8th cranial nerves.